This is black to play, and the objective is to kill the white group on the corner. So the first thing you should notice is that it's actually pretty easy for whites to make a living shape, because the ice base is pretty big, and white can play here, here, or here to make a living shape. And one thing you should know going forward is that when there are two stones like this on the corner, they significantly increase the chance of making a living shape. So this is a really good shape for white in terms of life and death. For black, the method this problem requires is called reducing the ice base. So naturally, this will be the move to reduce white's ice base. And once black makes this move at number 1, white will have no way to live because the ice base all of a sudden is not enough. So now even if white captures black's number 1, white still doesn't have enough ice base. If you allow number 1 to connect back, then there's definitely not going to be enough ice base either because it's only getting smaller. And that is why if we play at number 1, we'll solve the problem because it kind of prevents white from having this very good shape on the corner. As always, you can try other patterns. If you run into problems, please feel free to leave a comment below and I can help you look into your issue. Thank you for watching.